So congruent means the same shape with the same size. It can be flipped, reflected, it could be rotated, it could be translated. It doesn't matter. If two shapes, like my hands, are the same shape, same size, doesn't matter if one looks like this and one looks like this, that's what congruent is. Whereas similar is when you have a little hand, I can't make a little hand, and a big hand, and they're the same shape, but just definitely different sizes. Like think about a little square or a little circle, and then a much bigger circle, right? A circle is a circle. It doesn't matter if one is super tiny and one is super big, they're the same shape, but just way different sizes. That's what similar is. So under congruence, we can have translation, we can have reflection, we can have rotation. What transformation do you think happens for similar figures? It's dilation. So you can have a figure get enlarged, it could be reduced, which is a reduction. That's what's going to make it similar. Okay? I have a few sets of shapes that we're going to be taking a look at to make sure that we know the difference between congruent or similar. Let's take a look. Over here on the left, I have what's the name of this shape? 5 sides. I hope you said pentagon. I have two congruent pentagons. I mean, they're literally the same exact figure, same shape, same size. I know that those are congruent. What transformation do you see happened here? A translation, hopefully, you said, with just one figure slid to the other. Over here on the right, I see these two L-shaped figures. They're definitely not the same size, but I would totally say they're the same shape. They're the same shape. This one's just much larger. This one's smaller. Yes, there was a little rotation happening too, but these would be similar figures. They're the same shape, but just different sizes, and it's fine that one was rotated. For the next two, these two kind of like pointing arrow shapes or greater than symbols, same shape. The one on the right is definitely larger. That would be a dilation. So these would be similar. Over here, these pentagons definitely look like they're the exact same size, same shape. I mean, this figure really was just rotated to kind of stand up. And so those would be congruent. Over on the left, I see two parallelograms. They're really the same shape, same size, just looks like a translation happened. So those would be congruent. And then my last set of figures, these two hexagons, these stretched out hexagons. I see one that's super large and one that's smaller, but they're the same shape, just different sizes. And that means that these two are similar. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.